Want to welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Oh, baby. Thursday, August the 12th, 2009. What a day. 3:13 p.m. Eastern. As I speak, things are rallying a little bit, but I got to tell you, oh, baby. Nailed it on the long side and then nailed it on the short side. U.S., where the hell did that come from? But first, obviously, we have to get to the dollar continuation on the way lower, as predicted yesterday. German GDP, U.S. retail sales. German GDP, what a knockout blow. Up 0.3. Where did that come from? French GDP, up 0.3. Eurozone GDP, flash, only down 0.1. Estimate was negative 0.5. Obviously, the rest of the Eurozone is not doing well, but still, tremendous number. A knockout blow. And the euro coming back against the Canadian big time. Euro sterling on its way to breaking the hell out. Euro dollar held up like a monster today. Absolutely, the stock market too. Again, this stock market is just made of stone. These idiots just keep on buying. It is driving me nuts. That's another point. Hang on. So, we had carry trade exploding as predicted. Buying on pullbacks, baby, to the moon. Perfect. And I got to tell you, our limits were hit. You people, when are you going premium? I'm offering you a 1-week free trial. Do you understand that? Oh, baby. Wait until you hear about what happened this morning. So anyway, Asia, we had the pullback. We were able to get long. Europe, explosion. GDP, to the moon, Alice. Dollar index, look at that. Never a tick up, really. Straight down. And I got to tell you, though, let's take a look. With the U.S. disaster today, and I say again, it was a disaster. Today was a disaster. Cash for clunkers is a freaking disaster. A nightmare. Retail sales should have been up big. I mean big. And they were not. I figured that the headline was going to be bigger and the core was going to be a lot worse. But never in my mind did I think we were going to get what we got today. And I cannot believe that there are not hedge fund managers that feel exactly the same way and that the stock market right now is 315. I would imagine we're going to collapse at the end of the day. Bond yields got smoked. Oil held up well. We'll get to that in a second. But anyway, dollar index. Depends where you do it from. You really do it from here, which is that's the higher one. And we pretty much hit it. Just about. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm talking about the 61.8% retracement in this move. I think dollar index right back in your face. I'm going long dollar index, baby. Against the lows. This was a bad number. I know Eurozone GDP much better. London still sucks. They're still adding liquidity to their system. Let's take a look at gold. Nice reversal. I still think gold. Now, I'm nervous. This is a beautiful uptrend channel, granted. This does look good. We held the line. But where did this number come from? Where did the core be down negative 0.6? That means the consumer is dead. And I got to tell you, Goldman sucks, okay? Might have to revise what they're thinking. This healthcare thing, also, we got consumer confidence coming out tomorrow. This healthcare thing is scaring the bejesus out of people. What the hell is going on in America? How is consumer confidence going to be better? Oil, decent reversal. Nice little shooting star. It was up like gangbusters. We were basically looking, I still think oil comes in. Now, with retail sales like this, sayonara. Who knows what's going to happen in the aftermarket? Oil, Route 66, baby. Coming. S&Ps. Now, again, remember, 43 minutes away. I would not be surprised to see us close under 1,000. Now, I could be dead wrong. And the stock market just keeps going up, and it makes me sick. I mean, look at the hourly chart. It's pushing higher right now. I'm not looking like I'm right now. It's not over, baby. Let's see where the stock market closes in the next 43 minutes. Most of you aren't going to even get my video until that happens, after the fact. All you people think I'm a Monday night quarterback. Oh, yeah? All right, so anyway, let's get back. So, today, if you got my twit, and I have not twitted that much, but I certainly gave you enough morsels to really be pretty happy. What did we say? We were lightening up into the number, which we did. Absolutely lightened up into the number. We're pretty light. Money lots really a lot across the board. But, yeah, it was a nightmare. Are you kidding me? We were long everything. I thought the number was going to be a freaking unbelievable number. But it wasn't. It was a disaster. So the bottom line is this. This kind of a number, we are going down. This euro looking amazing. Granted, it looks awesome. Held that line. Broke out above this whole 143 at one point. Close. So the euro does look good. GDP, everything about the euro looks amazing. I say look at euro sterling. I say it's going to be euro specific. I wouldn't be surprised to see euro sterling. I'll jump to that one. It's gone. Like the wind. I love this. Euro sterling. London's adding 50 billion pounds. Why? Because they know things suck. And they're in deep, you know what? Big trouble. And this euro sterling is about to break this entire downtrend channel line here. And this looks unbelievable in my book. And when you take a look at this channel line, we could absolutely explode. Perfect scenario. Well, not perfect, but you know what maybe even higher. In this whole 88 zone. Looks good. Dollar yen. Bond yields collapsed today. Dollar yen is going to probably close at the lows. Under 95, I'd say dollar yen goes tonight. This stock market is in danger. Danger territory, in my opinion. Now dollar yen is finished. Listen, what can I say? They break it out to break it down. I'm not going to sit here and be bullish on dollar yen as it's below my channel line, 96. No way. It's breaking my uptrend channel line. I must get bearish. Bond yields are coming in. This retail sales was a freaking shocker. A real shocker, people. No joke. No one expected this. None. Business inventories collapsed even more. Jobless claims out of the U.S. was higher than expected. I thought jobless claims might come in at 450. All this crap that Obama is shoving down your throats is a joke. It's a lie. And if you believe him, you need to get your head examined. The United States people do not believe Barack Hussein Obama. I'm sorry, they don't. And retail sales should have been much better than expected. People shouldn't have been firing so many people as they did again this week. It continues. There is something wrong in Obama land. That's all I'm saying. All right, let's go. Come on. Cable. Nice reversal. Sterling going lower. I don't know what's going to happen today, but I think stock market comes in big time at the end of the day. Remember, there's still an hour and 40 minutes left in the day. Should we reverse even more down here to 65.25? Cable is toast. Carry trade. Oh, baby. Take a look at the monster reversal. We got out, baby. We got short. Then the rally in our face and then collapse again. I mean, what a day. Listen, I gave back 100 pips of my euro yen profit, and I got short. And if you're a listener to my show, you're a premium member, and please, try trial. Take a trial. Come and talk to the people about yesterday. You think I'm lying to you? Come on, baby. Bring it on. What a day. Look at that, and we're getting short now because let me tell you something. I think we're going to take out the lows. I think take out this 135.30. It's over, finally. I mean, this retail sales number has got to spook people. It's now getting towards the middle of August. We've held up well. I think it's time. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Take a look at that. Gee, sterling yen has made a run from 120 to 162. It's time for a break of this entire uptrend channel. It's now August. Where is the disaster? It's around the corner. Take a look at Aussie yen also. People, this could be it. I've been waiting for a signal to say this was a top, and I'm calling it. I am calling it. The stock market is toast. Everything is going to reverse now. Look at this. We take out the lows in Aussie yen. It's over. Andrew Spanton, Global FX Radio, the only voice you'll ever need in Forex that loves to make you money.